Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to link your Apex Trader Funding Tradovate account to TradingView and how you can access add-ons through Tradovate website and how to grant permission to use TradingView through your Tradovate account. You're going to load up a tab for Tradovate. So right here, I have the Apex Trader Funding website pulled up. I'm on the dashboard. On the dashboard of Apex Trader Funding, scroll all the way down, and where you see your Tradovate account, you're going to copy your username on Tradovate for Apex. I have one open right here. So the Tradovate website, you're going to sign in with that Apex username, and then select a trading mode, simulation, press launch. Then the bottom right, you see the three dots. The three dots in the bottom right of my mobile. You press the three dots. The top right, you see the three lines. The three lines looks like switches in the top right hand. Press those three lines. Now I'm in settings. Now once I'm in settings, there's a drop down arrow. It's a white arrow under the X in the top right hand of my phone. There's an X, and under that X there's a drop down arrow. You're going to press that drop down arrow. It's going to bring up your settings. You're going to select add-ons. Once you select add-ons, it's going to have all these options. You don't need anything but TradingView. Mine is already activated, but you will just select activate on TradingView option, and that will grant permission for your Tradovate account to be accessed through TradingView. So now once you do that, you will be able to log in to TradingView through your mobile device. So this is the TradingView application on my phone. I go to TradingView. And now I have the buy or sell option in the top left. And I also have the bottom right three dots, the three dots in the bottom right. You select the three dots and you press connect broker. And now these are the options that come up. Now I'm going to select Tradovate, and I'm going to paste that username from the website. So it'll let me here. There we go. Paste the username, go back to the website. I'm going to get the password now. And I'm going to connect account through demo. I'm going to log in through demo. And now I'm logged in on TradingView through my Tradovate account. As you can see, the top right blue Tradovate icon, I'm going to select that. And now this is where I can access my accounts. So now if I want to buy or sell, I'm just going to press the middle icon for the amount of units. And right now I'm on NQ. I can go to micro NASDAQ, would be MNQ. So to change your ticker, the bottom left, you see the MNQ, I'd select that. And then from there I can change my ticker that I'm using. So if I want to go to gold, I just type GC. GC right there. So now I'm on gold. If I want to go to NASDAQ, I just type NQ. And then to change the time frame, to the right side of the NQ1 exclamation point at the bottom left there, on the right hand side there, there's the hourly 1 hour. If I press the 1H, that stands for the 1 hour time frame. I can change to the 5-minute time frame. This is where I change all my time frames. So now I'm on the 5-minute time frame. As you can see, the 5M. If I select that, now I can change it to 15M, and now I'm on the 15-minute time frame. If I want to draw trend lines, this is how you draw trend lines on TradingView on mobile. So now the bottom right, the pencil, if I press that, now I can access the trend lines. If you also press the pencil, you can access the horizontal ray for levels. And yeah, that is how you access your Tradovate account through TradingView using Apex Trader Funding website. That is all the basics of getting started.